Hello guys, and welcome back to the DaddyTravels channel. And today we are at the Tudela Highland Resort Park in the mountains. It's currently raining, as you could expect up in the mountains. It's only 25 pesos to get in, entrance fee each, so that's very cheap. And it's like a little village, nice huts, and there's a swimming pool and everything in here. So I'm just prepared to come and show you the tourism in Mindanao as usual. So please like, subscribe and comment guys, and hopefully you can come and visit this place yourself. And that's my idea of the channel. And remember, down in the bottom right hand corner you can help and support all the Filipinos currently while we're here. While we're here in the Philippines, you can help and support people in need by going to buymeacoffee.com/DaddyTravels. So I'll just turn the camera and I'll show you the main entrance like this, as we're right high up in the mountains, a nice tropical atmosphere, and just over here you got loads of mountain, and then we got chickens over here, and loads of shops to start your day. So yeah guys, I'll see you inside. So this is the village, nice little huts. It's called Tudela Village. It's a hidden gem up in the mountains. You wouldn't even know unless you knew someone like a Filipino family or some friends to suggest this place. But it's newly built.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome. Good afternoon.
Go and pay. Hello, hello. Yeah, thank you. So 25 peso each. So guys, I'm just going to go and pay quickly, okay? So there is a hot bath and spa available. You can get coconut milk for curing skin, fresh milk for bright skin, turmeric for general wellness, and sea salt for healing. As you can see, you can have a nice bath, which I might do later on. And I think you can have the hot bath here, in this bath here. A hot bath. I think they made light a fire underneath. And you can have a nice. But this place is absolutely beautiful. And you got flower gardens. I think that's the swimming pool right here. So when the rain stops, we'll be able to go and now have a look over there. It's quite a big place, and the thunder is happening right now. So we're just trying to take shelter while that stops, and until then, I reckon until then I might just have to stop filming because there's not much I can film right now, unfortunately. So we're just going to have some lunch, and then when the rain stops I'll take you around and have a look. So yeah. You too. So guys, I managed to come up here a little bit further with my umbrella, and you can see from up above right here what it looks like. All our little houses and the places you can stay overnight. Little rooms like this. It goes up, but it's a dead end right there, and right here, if we can get just through here underneath somehow, there's a really nice view of all the mountains. But we need to figure a way out how to get to the edge there, so we can go and see the viewpoint. But from here, guys, look at this. You don't see this in the city. There's a little hidden gem. So yeah, let's head our way back down. But yeah, as you can see, I've got an umbrella. It's thundering and lightning and raining constantly here in the mountains. But my God, it is beautiful out here. You still can't complain. It's nice hot rain as well. Only in Asia you can get the hot rain. In England it's just cold constantly. But yeah, that's why we come to the Philippines. So yeah, let's go back to our Pinoy family, and I'll try and show you a little bit as I'm walking. But this right here is the entrance. So you come down from here, and you got another option to come down up them stairs. So I'm sure it'll probably look what it looks like from the other side. So, but yeah, I'll turn the camera around, guys, so you can just have a look. Let's have a look around. I'll try and show my face as little as possible. But as you can see, look, there's a bath and spa, and then that way is the restro bar and swimming pool. And if you can see from here, there's the swimming pool and someone's house there, and they lived here. But yeah, we're just going to keep on going, have a look around, and as you can see, we've just got a little walkway here, little tiles to come in to this little area here where you can have your hot bath and spa. Absolutely beautiful. All this nature and everything. Yeah. But hopefully we can go into the swimming pool soon and we can go and have a little dip if the rain stops. But we're going to try and go over to the other side up there and see what's up there as well. But yeah. Lovely place. Hello. I'm in a Philippine bathtub.
So is it?
It's lovely. And this is for, what's this one for? The well-being.
Turmeric.
Turmeric well-being. It's like having an English bath, but we've got flowers and turmeric, and oh, it's like a spa. All you need now is a massage. Oh, you gotta come and try this, everyone. It's up in the mountains, Tudela, Mindanao. Maybe they got this in the other side of the Philippines, but this is where we are, and this is where I'm suggesting to come. So, let me enjoy. And my beautiful asawa will have 15 minutes afterwards.
Wait.
That's what, 350 peso?
Yeah.
Is that per person? Is that per person?
Yeah. But if only one, it's 350 both.
Per one.
Yeah, here. Or 15 minutes at
Oh, yeah.
30
So
minutes.
we both have 15 minutes each for
Yeah.
350, or half an hour for 350 for one person. So yeah, now she gets to experience like a hot bath, like in England, which she's been wishing for a while. Oh yeah? This is us. Hello. The bottom's really hot.
Yeah.
Oh,
And look at the view. Yeah.
that's a beautiful view. So relaxing. You kill all the moths. Oh my god. This is perfect.
Come and relax.
Very relaxing. There's 4 different types you can have. You can have coconut milk, you can have turmeric, you can have, what is it, normal milk, fresh milk, and what was the other one? Something about for sea salt. So hopefully this kills off the lamok bites also, the mosquitoes should I say. It's called lamoks here. Oh, and look at that view. We got the house.
Come on.
You can stop it now, man. I have to edit. So guys, we have just come out of the entrance from enjoying a nice day here. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to explore everything so far, but we're going to come back so I can create the full video. But this is what it looks like, and we're currently in the clouds. You can't really see. It goes up, up. It's a beautiful little village.
There you go. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, doggy. It goes all the way up here. Unfortunately, I can't see the swimming pool from up here. That's what I was hoping. But it's been raining and raining and raining all day. So unfortunately, we've had to take shelter most of the day. But hopefully from up here I might be able to see it. I'm going to keep on trying. Nah, we're not going to see it from here. But yeah, this is the Tudela Highlands Park. You can search it up on Google. It's here in Mindanao. It's a very beautiful place, very hospitable people. There's a lot of Filipinos come down here. But just look at the view. That's where we're currently in the clouds. You can see the mist over there. It was all mountain, as you saw earlier, but now it's just all covered by fog and clouds. But like I say, we're going to come back here in a couple of weeks' time and have a nice relax again, and then we will explore the second half of the park itself with the swimming pool, the bar and everything like that. So hopefully it's not raining then and we can explore more. Like I say, taking cover, we're in the mountains. Actually look, it's now clearing up, so I'm going to turn it around. You can see the mountain like that. Look at that, beautiful in the clouds. So much fog. Wow. Hello, oh baby. I'm done. So much fog. We're in the clouds.
Yeah.
So yeah, you will see us next time when we come here in 2 weeks' time, and then I will create and edit the full video. So yeah, thank you. And yeah, this is like a little sari store. Probably one of the cheapest shops ever in the Philippines. They do like pork scratchings here, and they do many items from probably 10 pesos, which is like 1p each. Vegetables, bananas, coffee, whatever you like, whatever. Some eggs. You got lots and lots of stuff, but very cheap. It's called a sari store. Perfect if you want to not spend much money but have quality. But yeah, we'll see you soon here. We're in the beautiful rural area of the Philippines. On our way back down to the city. I'm going to let you guys see all the coconut trees and the nature. be able to have the option